Here, kitty, let's do some classic Pilates with the rest of March Madness. Starting out with neck pull, you'll roll up through your spine, you'll stretch forward, and then you'll hinge back, working that core, abs, hips, and so much more. Next up, you'll be inverting into a hip lift and going into scissors and bicycle, really opening up through your hips, strengthening your back, opening your chest, working your triceps, and it's actually really quite a fun one. Next up from there, the transition to get down, we'll be taking the feet down and coming right into that bridge. Squeeze those elbows together as you kick the leg up and down. Please note that Kitty Selena Kyle is absolutely doing this in kitty heels. Make sure you do both legs, of course. There's tons of variations on this modern day move. You'll see pieces. And then from there, we're going to go into spine twist. You're going to twist, really keeping your hips still and hopefully not knocking down your curtain. And from there, we're going to move it into Jackknife, reaching the hips back and up to the ceiling, rolling down through your spine, lowering the legs with control, reaching back, up, and then really controlling from that core, really working your hips. Spinal control, mobility, definitely an advanced challenge. Side kicks, another one that is popular today. Here I'm showing the sweep or forefront back, as it's classically called, the up, down. And I'm also going to show the classical leg beats, which is the way to transition, squeezing, and then going on to the other side, before we head into probably what is the most famous Pilates move, teaser. There I am, spring teaser 1, and then going right into that teaser 2, where I'm lowering the legs, keeping my torso tall, and then that teaser 3, where I'll be lowering the legs and the torso at the same time. I did a few variations there with teaser 2. Make sure you give me a follow, and see you soon.